Hey everyone here, this is Veritas, or Fernando as most of you people know me as. I'm currently been doing a project um, that's been influenced by a game that I really much enjoyed back when I was growing up. It's called, man, what is the name? It is called Phantom Dust. Phantom Dust is a third person game. Um, it was an RPG slash card game. And for the original Xbox, it came out, and this is pretty much what it did. In this game, you would set up cards, and you would run around, and you cast spells, and shoot, and do whatever, and try to defeat the enemy. You would collect these orbs that give you your spells, and what you would do is you would use your mana, which is right there, 5 max, just kind of recharges over time. And my game is influenced by that, but I need your guys' help to recreate this imagining of this game. And what I need from people is I need funding for assets because since I'm a one-person developer, I need assets such as like a third-person template, which is actually pretty cheap. If I could show you guys, it's somewhere in here. Um, it was here. It might be under blueprints. Yes, here it is. So I want it to be a third person over the shoulder. It's $20. I just need $20 for this blueprint. What this blueprint's gonna do is gonna let my game function the way I want it to be with more customization towards it. I still have to do the work and making sure all the coding and blueprinting is done properly. My game in its current state is somewhat playable, but not what I want because it's a game based off of a demo. Like this right here, what you see is a demo that's in the Unreal Engine 4 that people are able to check out to see how to create a level. And then here, if I go into my content browser, I can go and load up the map that I've been working on, which I'm going to show you after this um, on a different project that I was working on. Same map. It's pretty much going to be the same the main map for my game. Um, So yeah, this is what it is. This is the game here that I've been working on, the level for my game anyway. And in its current state, yeah, it's playable, but not exactly what I want. It's a first-person shooter, yeah. Shoots, does all this stuff. The map is still being currently worked on. I'm gonna add physics. I want to reuse some of these weapons since I have permission from the Materials to do so. Got a rocket launcher projectile. But I want to make this into a third-person shooter with cards. And this is kind of what I've been working on for the past 34 months now. So yeah, that's the game. This is a playable version of the game, but not the idea, not the vision that I have for it. More things that I want to add to this is like I said, the card system, which is gonna be somewhat similar to Phantom Dust, and I'll show you pictures of that. I've worked on some card ideas. That's not what I want to open. Here's a screenshot of where I'm trying to aim at. Basically, what's going to happen is same idea, but players are going to start off with 8 mana. On top of that, players are going to build their own decks. A deck of cards would be like maybe 20 or 30 cards, and each of these cards will do something for the player. Instead of using perks like in Call of Duty or abilities like in Halo, you would have like cards that give you those perks and abilities on the fly. So if you have 2 mana and you draw this card, and the mana cost is 2, it's called Fire Shot, gives the user fire damage and burns armor. Um, just an idea, it's not final. Basically, what it'll do is empower the weapon to shoot fire ammo and burn through armor. Then we'll have other things like healing, where it like costs 1 mana. Lesser heal, you can heal yourself 15 damage, or you can have an energy shield that shields a user from being attacked. Hold on a second. There we go. Shield a user from being attacked. For I don't know. Well, it'll be attacked, but it'll like block up to like I don't know a certain amount of damage for 5 seconds or whatnot. Again, it's not final. I'm just throwing stuff out there. So right here, yeah, this is the game in its early stage. I haven't even worked on the middle building platform yet. So we'll go back to the game and go back to actually the point of this video. Actually, before I go back to the game, so this here, this generic shooter sample project will give me a blueprint to actually put in like my own weapons, put in my own models. I can actually customize the characters to have hats or whatever I want. It features a first-person, third-person camera view, so I can toggle. It comes with full multiplayer support, so people for testing, I can either run it off a server or have it run off dedicated servers. And then it also includes team deathmatch and deathmatch game modes, which is kind of what I want to go for. As it also does in-game chat, in-game scoreboards, in-game kill feed. So a lot of the stuff is already done, and for $20 is actually not bad. What else? It comes with a front-end menu which I can customize, and I'll show you guys that. So this is the first person, with the aiming and everything. Got hit markers, got blood. I can also change all that myself. I mean, this is just like straight out of the box, just generic, but I can customize it to my taste for $20. Then I can, get a menu like this. I can host game, join a game. I can customize a character. I get graphical settings, and it allows people to customize whatever I want. Because like if I go into this, I can change all these little assets with like the hat type, change it from a teapot to a helmet and whatnot. You guys get the idea. Here it'll also come with video settings, which is something I don't have to work on. But it comes blueprinted already. All you gotta do is just make sure it works. Then on top of that, aside from that, actually, sorry, I want to add. I need particle effects. This is gonna be effects for magic, for like the different spells. I can make different area of effect abilities. I can make those into spawners or weapon respawners, whatever I want, and I can throw this all into the game. This is, grenade pack. It's only $34.99. It gives me different types of realistic grenade stuff. But I can also make these myself. But just a little extra, more of what would be nice to have inside. Even comes with physics, so that way if I blow up, throw it against the wall, it's gonna, the shrapnel's gonna bounce off properly. Muzzle flashes, I can use these too, $20 as well. It comes with 101 different types of muzzle flashes. I can also create more guns, so that way I can have different types of muzzle flashes for each of the guns, for shotguns and whatnot. And then I will also need. I want these magical effects because like I can make this into mana, something I don't know. I can use it for different types of abilities or pickups, weapon pickups or special ability pickups or mana pickups. And now to get to the main stuff, for another $30 I can add more weapons. See, myself, I'm not a modeler, so I can't actually model. I mean, I could try, but it'll just put me back some more. And I would like to try to get my project in alpha before the end of the year. And anybody who does help and does donate will get access to the game for free for a lifetime. You know, as soon as the first build is ready. So this comes with let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6 weapons. Did I count that right? No, 7 weapons. Comes with a melee, like a knife, and these all come rigged. And what that basically means is that all I have to do is rig them and attach them to my skeletons inside the engine. Let me show you guys. No, that's not what I want. And this is the second variation of the game. Um, and this is what it looks like now, instead of it being first person, and it's using a different model. But I can go into here, and basically all I would have to do is attach it to a skeletal mesh socket. So basically what I would do is I'll go into my mannequin. Sorry, I think actually no, this is right. Go into my mannequin, and I would go in and whatever animations. I mean, I got animations here. See, these are all made. I just gotta rig it all. It's got firing animations. All I gotta do is add the muzzle flare when it fires. I'm gonna put him in the idle hit position so you guys can understand what I'm talking about here. So those weapons, all I have to do is literally come into here. This is my weapon, and rig it to the hand properly, you know. And once I put it in the socket properly, it will show the guy holding it, just like that. So if I go into the animation here, I can have him reload. So he's aiming. Reload. Play. See? Just some simple animations. But this gun right here comes already rigged. So all I have to do is attach it, which is what I did for this model. Same thing what I had to do for the other guy. Now, if I can come up with $500 in donations, I can get these guns. I can get add some more guns. These already come ready to fire. More weapons, the customizations. I can have those as skins. I can do whatever. Pretty much, I got my shotgun here. Since I got my shotgun animation already made inside my engine that I've worked on, I can go and add this to the model, and I'll have pretty much a shotgun animation ready for this gun. So I'm just missing bits and pieces, and I'm asking if anybody's interested in this project. You know, if you guys want to help invest and see this project grow, you know, all I'm asking for is $500, just so that way I can get, you know, just some simple modeling stuff going on. Like, even if I can get like a stasis modular sci-fi pack, this is this would be a level for me. I can make this. I can make this happen. This is just like a demo of what the level could look like. I would have to still put it together myself. Same thing with sci-fi props pack. This comes with a bunch of props, you know, things to make the level look alive. Again, I have to do all of this myself. This just gives me the Lego pieces basically to put it all together, just like that. And that's $54.99. Modular sci-fi. I mean, for $60, I get pretty much all these assets to create this sort of like hallway. If I want to do like a space station or something. Now, what I would also like to do is, if I have enough money, I could even go and do a mobility mocap pack, which is somebody went and is charging $100 for 136 different mobility mocap animations. These are all made in mocap or motion capture, for those who don't understand, which is actually pretty expensive to do. So what I'm using now is an animation starter pack. This is just some basic animations, Like it's got the aiming, got whatnot. I downloaded this is what I'm using in my project. Um, yeah. So if you guys feel like I know I dragged this on like a long time, and I'm just asking everybody who's interested. You guys will be getting CD keys personally from me over Facebook or email. Everybody who puts in is gonna get alpha access and some premium content on top of that. Other than that, the game is gonna be free to play, and this isn't the actual Kickstarter. This is just to help me get the stuff going, to get the game going in the direction where I want it to go, so that way I can kickstart it. So anyway, thank you for your time and for you guys listening to me ramble, and hopefully I can get something to show everybody very soon. Thank you.